That's the first one you've got right.
We tried identifying car fluids by smell and it went worse than expected. Today we're playing a dangerous game. 10 glasses and everything here smells like a workshop. Well, almost everything. The loser will clean the wheels on this big old Ford with a toothbrush. Here we have old oil. Two of these are traps. Whiskey. And the next one will be water. Right.
Like different beers.
One for you. Yes. I have 10 glasses with 10 liquids, and we're not allowed no touching, no tasting.
No tasting?
No tasting, just the smell. The loser will gonna clean the wheels on the tractor on the Ford with a toothbrush.
Like I better win.
Okay, so you're gonna go first, right?
I'm gonna go first.
I'm gonna be blindfolded.
Right then, you know what they are.
I have no idea how they smell though. Well, I'll tell you what it is inside, so you have an idea. You don't give me in order, so it needs to be random.
Yeah, of course.
Can you see?
No, can't see a thing. It's black. Am I allowed to, if I'm not quite sure, go to the end and sniff them again?
No.
No?
No.
You toad.
Get your nose ready. Okay, so we're gonna start with an easy one. Here it is.
Well, that's windscreen wash.
Oh, that is screen wash. Or...
So I'm gonna guess that's steering oil.
I think it's water.
I can't smell anything on that either. I'm going to guess clean engine oil.
Water? Doesn't taste like, smell like anything.
Old engine oil.
Old oil? Have I said that before?
Duck oil.
This is the screen washer?
Oh, what the hell is that? It's got a distinctive. Oh, to know. Can't I come back to that one? I can't even remember what the choices were. Well, I should think that's something from the kitchen.
Ooh, this is whiskey.
Well done. You got 2 out of 10. That's the first one you've got right. No, that's definitely old engine oil, so I was wrong with my first.
Ooh. This must be the differential oil, transmission oil?
No, that's gearbox oil.
Ooh. Oh God, what is this? Steering? Where are the easy ones?
I can't smell anything on that. New engine oil.
God, this is hard.
Yes.
They smell like poor. Engine oil?
Brake fluid.
This smells strong. Old engine oil?
How many did I get right?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. Not as good as I thought then.
That's hard.
I found it difficult to smell them because of the volume of the container.
Next time we're changing another variable. Right, I'll just quickly clean the wheels. This won't take long.